Good afternoon. We're back from basketball, I think. And there's Bella back there. And I'm hungry. I've been eating all day long. I don't know why I'm so hungry today. But anyway, I'm going to try out a new recipe for keto strawberry blender vanilla ice cream. Okay, step one is a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Or actually a 1/2 cup. I think it's a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. So there's one. So this is not supposed to take very long, so I'm going to try and do it all while I'm videoing it. So 1/2 cup of that. And then, let's see, there is a tablespoon of lemon juice. So there's that. Try not to spill it. There you go. Let's see, 8 strawberries. I'm going to add all 8 of the strawberries. I should have added the 3 ounces of cream cheese, so that might not be exact, but it's pretty close. Okay. And, oh, a 1/3 cup, let's see, a 1/3 cup of sweetener. I guess your natural sweetener of your choice. I'm using Splenda, because that's my favorite. And ice, about 3/4 of a cup of ice. So that's actually a cup. We'll see how it goes. Let me put the top on. Push it down. Kind of hard to do with one hand. All right. All right, hopefully it's on low. It definitely tastes good, but it is not icy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna add some more ice. So I tasted it and it is pretty good, but it's not sweet enough. Not really creamy enough. And it's very runny, look. Let's see. So I'm going to add some frozen strawberries to it that I already have, which is probably what I should have done in the first place. And some more sugar. And if it gets too thick, some more cream. It's so runny that I almost think it needs a full cup of frozen strawberries. And I really wanted something creamy, so it's really probably gonna taste more fruity than it is going to taste. Oh, geez. Yeah, I don't want it to be sherbet. I want it to be ice cream. That's why I feel like eating like a really rich, creamy ice cream. Ooh, creamy. I want it to be creamy. All right, let's try this. Get that out of the way. Oh, I dropped one on the floor. All right, let's try this. This is a lot thicker, but honestly, it's delicious. But it's a smoothie. It is not ice cream. So, fail, but good, but fail. I put it in my freezer. Oh, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so. Let's see. Okay, let's see. That's a little bit. I mean, if I would have left it in longer, but I'm hungry. I want ice cream now. It's like soft serve, almost. And Coco's licking her lips. I don't think you're gonna get any, Coco. can stop it. All right, they're done. Like a thick smoothie.
Oh, you want me to taste it? You want me to taste it?
Sure, taste it. Tell us what you think.
Good.
It's good?
Good.